Hello, this is Channel Log, and in today's video, we are going to discuss Polygon. So, without wasting any time, let's just move on to the lecture. What are polygons? Polygons can have many sides. It can be 2, 3, no, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up to infinity. Okay, the polygons that are in grade 8, 9, 10, IGCSE, Cambridge IGCSE, GCSE, Edexcel. The polygon that will be discussed will be pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon. Okay. Okay. There are two formulas. Okay. There are two formulas that are very important to solve the question of polygons. What are those formulas? One question they will ask you about sum of the interior. They can ask you a question about what is any interior angle, or they can, okay. So for that you will apply formula sum of interior angles equals to n minus 2 into 180. This formula will give you sum of the interior angles. Okay. And that sum you can divide by the number of sides to get one interior angle. This sum of interior angles you can divide by number of sides to get one individual interior angle. So here you will get individual interior angle. Now, how will you get exterior angle? Remember that sum of the exterior angle of the convex polygon. Sum of exterior angle of convex polygon always is 360 degree, no matter how many sides are 10, 12, 13, 14, 18, 200, 300, no matter. So sum of the exterior angle of the convex polygon is always 360. So if they ask you exterior angle of the one particular individual exterior angle, what you will do, you will just divide 360 divided by number of sides. So if there are 10 sides, one exterior angle will be 36. If there are 20 sides, so one exterior angle will be, what it will be? 18. If there are 15 sides, so one exterior angle will be 24. So in this way, these two formulas will apply at the stage of Cambridge, IGCSE, Edexcel, IGCSE, Edexcel, GCSE, AQA, and IB O levels. These formulas will apply. Okay. So there is no hard and fast rule. You can just memorize this formula, and most of the time in past paper you can observe this question about the sum of interior angle and exterior angle. Okay. So suppose there is a pentagon. They ask you to find the size of one interior angle. Okay. One interior angle. Suppose they ask you pentagon. So what you will do? Pentagon. Penta means 5. So sum of interior angles will be equals to n minus 2 into 180. 5 sides are there. So 5 minus 2 into 180. 3 into 180. So what is the sum of the interior angles of pentagon? It's 540. Okay. But suppose if they ask you the interior angle inside the individual interior angle inside the polygon, so you will just take 540 divided by the number of sides, you will get one interior angle inside the polygon is of 108 degrees. Easy peasy. Okay. So if they ask you about exterior angle, what you will do? 360 degree divided by 5. That's at no hard and fast rule, 72 degrees. Got it? Similarly, suppose they ask you about 25-sided polygon. 25-sided polygon. No worries. Just you will do n minus 2 into 180 degree. Sum of interior angles of 20 sides. So 25 minus 2 is 23. 23 into 180 is 4140 degree. Now, if they ask you individual interior angle inside the polygon, you will divide by 25. So 4140 divided by 25 is 165.6 degrees. If they ask you exterior angle, no hard and fast rule, 360 divided by 25. 360 divided by 25 is 14.4 degrees. So one exterior angle is a 14.4 degree. Okay. Hope you have understood this video. But if you have any confusion, comment below so that I can resolve your queries. If you want private tutor, you can email me at ANSARASOOL4@gmail.com. And if you want me to give lecture on any particular topic, you can also tell in the comment. Do subscribe to channel Learn to get the free videos of Cambridge IGCSE, Edexcel IGCSE, GCSE, AQA, IB. Okay, I will be uploading all the lecture of physics, biology, chemistry, mathematics of all O levels and A levels in detail about each and every topic, free of cost. All lectures at one channel on Learn Law. So do subscribe the channel, click the bell icon to get the notification first of every lecture so that you don't miss any lecture, and stay tuned and stay updated. See you in the next video. Bye. Bye.